Are you looking to put an animated profile picture for your Samsung account? Something like this. Here's a short video to show you how. Basically, you just need to select an animated GIF file for your Samsung account profile picture instead of a JPEG file, or any other standard picture file. And I actually created the animated GIF file from the Gallery app using the built-in function. Simply select a few pictures, tap Create, and select the GIF option. Here, you can crop the GIF. Once you are happy with the GIF, tap Save. Then go to Settings in the Samsung account screen to pick the GIF from there. Here, you can adjust and crop the GIF file too. Now, you can see your animated Samsung ID picture everywhere. Isn't this cool?